How to add wireless display on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add wireless display on Windows. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, click on the start button and from the pop-up menu, just click on settings to open the settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is you can just click on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type optional feature. So here simply type optional feature, and here once you search for it on the search result, you can just click on the optional feature, and with that, on the next page, what you have to do is you have to select view or edit optional feature from search result, and after that, if prompted, you can just click yes to continue, and after that, on the next pop-up menu, you can add the wireless display feature in here. So here you can just add wireless display feature, and once you have found that, you can just click on it, and after that you can just click on add button to install it. And here installation requires an internet connection, so it may take a few minutes. So there you can just confirm your installation, and here after installation you can see that the wireless display feature will appear on the list of the install feature. Now you can use Windows plus K to use the wireless display feature in your PC. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.